Hi, my name is Connor Allen. I'm a sales executive with the Rubicon Group. For the last 40 years, the Rubicon Group has been providing our clients with an end-to-end platform that is a fully integrated manufacturing, distribution, and financial system. Our solution is unparalleled in terms of control, accuracy, traceability, and ease of use. Our product is completely web-based, meaning all users need to access the system as a device with a Wi-Fi connection and a browser. All of our clients have a dedicated account manager. That means no more hotlines, call centers, or waiting in a queue online for support. Our account managers are supported by a team of developers that are experts in Rubicon and in the rigging industry. The Rubicon platform was designed to be easy to use and intuitive. If you can use Amazon, you can use Rubicon. If you like what you saw here today and want to see a more in-depth demo for your business, please reach out to our sales team. My name is Connor Allen, and thank you for watching.